everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Dawn Ultra Dish Soap. This is antibacterial, so it's also great for your hands. It is streak-free, residue-free. It's not gonna leave a slimy feeling or kind of scummy feeling on your dishes. It really makes them clean, shiny, no spots, no streaks. I absolutely love it. My household is 6 people, and this is 28 fluid ounces, and it lasts for weeks and weeks, and I do a lot of dishes. So grime, grease, it really cuts through all of that. You don't have to use too much to really have a lot of dishes get done with the little that you do use. It smells really nice and it doesn't dry out my hands. When I wash dishes, a lot of the times my hands get dried out really easily. I don't have this problem. This really keeps them moisturized. So if you are looking for maybe a new dish soap or a hand soap, something that is going to kill the germs but also cut through the grease and all the grime on your dishes, I would highly recommend you look into this one. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.